signature design by Ashley Tyler Creek chairside end table grayish brown/black. Chairside end table. Melded together with the best of farmhouse flair and traditional grandeur, this accent table satisfies those even with the pickiest taste in style. Handsomely crafted. Made of veneers, solid wood and engineered wood. Designed with one cabinet door, one fixed shelf, pull-out tray with 2 cup holders, 2 USB charging ports and dark bronze tone hardware. Rich neutrals. Bathed in savory shades of brown, this table is sure to elevate the vibe in your living room and easily match your decor and furniture. Pairs beautifully with a coffee or console table. Storage solution. Measuring 14 inches wide by 24.25 inches deep by 23 inches height, this small end table serves as the perfect spot to store daily essentials. It's a compact, versatile piece that fits in most sized spaces. Minor assembly. Easy to follow instructions and hardware included. Direct from the manufacturer. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Buy with confidence. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries, the trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories and mattresses. For every taste and budget, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.